Hey everyone, it's me, Megz, and I am back with another personality unit. Yes, we are still protective styling well into the fall season, and this one right here is Glueless from ISEEHAIR. I am actually a new user to ISEEHAIR, so this is my second unit trying from their company. So let's go ahead and get into how I really feel about this unit and all the specs and details about it. So first, I really love their packaging. Their packaging is really cute. They did not skip out on that. And the wig box it came in was absolutely gorgeous as well. I love how well the unit came packaged with additional accessories. So this unit that I have on is a wear and go wig. It did come with a bonnet, which is super cute. I've been wearing this bonnet and it doesn't fall off my head. I do appreciate that it did come with two wig caps, a HD wig cap and a brown wig cap, some really cute lashes, which are really nice, and they have an updated M cap wear and go wig. So this is their updated M cap unit that I have. So as you can see, the lace is beautiful, HD lace, pre-cut, and it's very comfortable on. It fits like a glove because the ear tabs are actually already cut out for me, and that is something that I tend to struggle with when it comes to lace wigs, is the ear area, cutting that out. And I don't have to do that because the lace is pre-cut and the ears are cut out already. And there are 3 combs with this updated M cap construction that you can remove the combs too, which I really do like too. So it's a nice breathable wear and go wig, and it has like an adjustable, well, not necessarily adjustable, but it's kind of like elastic band at the nape area, making it really comfortable and snag free near that nape area, because you know sometimes that adjustable strap hook that's typically on wigs can snag the back of your hair and can cause breakage, because believe me, I know. So the replacement accessories that ISEEHAIR has is another elastic band which hooks onto the wig, and I really like these, and replacement combs, which is amazing. I personally don't use the replacement combs, but it's great to have. So what I really love about ISEEHAIR is that the knots on the units, this is my second unit by them, the knots are super duper small, giving it a really nice realistic look, which makes it great for beginners. I'm not necessarily a beginner, but I kind of am though. So I really love that this has as little effort to put on as possible. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the hooks on. When it comes to elastic band, I really do like that it's adjustable too. So this is the only thing that I need to keep my hair in place, even though the HD lace is very HD and very thin. Because I want to go glueless, I am gonna apply a little bit of my foundation to the very front of this lace, and I really do love that it is pre-cut, so I don't have to worry about that. So the closure on this wig is a 9x6 with small knots, so it has plenty of parting space. You could do like a side part. I'm gonna do a side part with one of my bobs one day, or a center part. You could do a lot of things. And the cut on this bob is really clean at 10 inches in length. And I did wash and condition this unit prior to styling. So I am going to flat iron this unit. And I always like to use my Care Silk and Seal Heat Protectant Spray, which is also like a glosser. And the texture and all the stats about this 3D cap wear and go wig will be down in the description below, but I like washing and conditioning my units prior to wear because it styles much better. It has a lot more movement and it flat irons effortlessly. So I really do love this kind of texture when it comes to bobs, because I feel like it looks way more natural than a silky texture. So it only needed one pass and it got me through. I really like the quality of this hair. I noticed that there wasn't any filler hair, and what filler hair is, like those short pieces near the base, and I did not see that. So with this cap construction, it's also a 3D cap, which means it comes nice and far enough down to where I can go glueless. So it's really easy to style. It lays really nice and flat at the top. It doesn't give me like that helmet hair because the density is just right at the top, because you know those old school wigs, when you know lace wigs first became a thing, the top used to just be so thick and bulky, and this lays really nice and flat. So I'm going to use some ISEE Fantasia Spritz. I started using this on my units and I absolutely love it to style. So I'm gonna spray this on the front of the hairline where the bleached knots are, which are basically like, girl, invisible. I really love that this unit is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. So all I have to do is really kind of style the front how I like it. I like my units to have an exposed lace hairline because I'm not going to do baby hair with this. So I really want to show and see how well this lays with just as is without any additional baby hair, because I feel me personally, I like a more neat natural look. So I really focus on using the hot comb on 500 degrees. Yes, that's pretty high. And really making sure I create that nice neat hairline. And a trick that I've been doing when I notice that the lace might have a crinkle or two in it, I just use the end of my hot comb and just kind of iron that out. So to do the finishing touches, I'm going to use this Paul Mitchell hairspray. It's a really nice hold and gives the hair a really nice natural shiny luster, and it is so neat. The cut with this bob is really neat too, and I love the density of this unit too because it's not too big and bulky, because with bobs it can be a hit or a really big mess, okay? And this is very, very cute. The pre-plucked hairline I absolutely love. It just allows me to have more freedom when it comes to my life when I need to throw on a glueless wig. So you see how nice and neat that is. I cannot wait to put this bad boy on. I was so excited, y'all. Like, I love a good bob, especially for the fall months. It just looks so good with turtlenecks, you know? So it's time to put this on. I did put on one of the thicker wig caps with this. This is my personal preference because I am on a recovery hair journey and I need all the additional protection that I need, especially when it comes to my hairline. So later on, I did apply a little bit of the foundation because this wig cap was a little light for my liking. But I'm really loving how this construction is with this 3D cap. It fits nice and snug around my forehead. It's not lifting, and the wig is really nice and snug too, being that I only have that elastic band that I'm using. I don't use the combs. I actually took the combs out, and it's laying so nice and flat, and it looks really, really natural. Like, it's not moving. And it's very comfortable, but it is indeed snug, and it fits nicely around my ears, which is a big, big key point for me, because that's always been an issue for me, is how the wig sits around my ears. And so that really determines how well the wig just lays on your head in general. So it's really nice and snug, very comfortable. I didn't feel like anything was too tight or tugging at my natural hair at the nape area or even the hairline. So I'm just going to add a little more bump to the front. I don't like a crazy curled bump when it comes to my bob. So this is laying absolutely beautiful. And I love that I can go glueless. You do not need glue with this, but for those days where I might need just a tiny bit of glue, I think a little bit of glue would be beautiful with this, and it wouldn't require much melting because the lace is so thin, y'all. I am very, very impressed with ISEEHAIR. This is my second unit trying from their company, and I really like this. I really like the quality. I didn't experience any shedding, and even when the unit first came, I didn't have any weird or odd smells to it, and it didn't have any shedding as I was washing and conditioning it. So yes, I really, really love this unit, and I think this is just out of personal preference, but I think I would want this bob just a little bit shorter because I don't want it resting on my neck. So I think later on, I might chop into it a little bit to give it a little more of a blunt, shorter look that I like. But it's actually perfect as is, as a longer bob. It's super cute, very easy, and great for beginners with its bleached knots, the pre-plucked lace, the pre-cut lace. You really have no fuss. And I love that. I like to just be able to put my protective style on and just go. Especially for these cooler months, I want to protect my hair underneath these units, and this is like the perfect everyday work unit to wear. I absolutely love this. So it gets a thumbs up for me, a 10 out of of 10. And it's just the quality for me. And I see the hype. I really do see the hype with ISEEHAIR. And feel free to stick around my channel to watch my previous ISEEHAIR tutorial and review and other videos that I have here on my YouTube channel about protective styling. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.